Key rule templates are a way of setting up intervention to assessment key automation rules for grid notes that are service specific for frequently used intervention and assessment combinations. For example, you may know that each time an intervention key of independent is used on a grid note for a particular service, a corresponding assessment key of goal met should be scored. By setting up key rule templates, you can add key rules to individual treatment plan outcomes quickly and efficiently. Key rule templates are accessed and managed from the client's desktop. If you do not see the Key Rule Templates button, you will need to contact a security administrator within your agency to allow access. Enter a description for your key template. This should be a description that you can identify based on the associated services and/or program. We will look at this example already set up that's called Standard Rules. The Standard Rules template is set to apply to all of the corresponding checked service codes. Anytime a note is written for one of these services, the system will look to see what key rules have been configured so that assessment keys can auto-populate. In this case, anytime the intervention key of not applicable is marked with an X, the assessment key of NA will auto-populate as well to an X. Likewise, when refused is used as the intervention key and an X is designated against that key, the assessment key of goal was not met will auto-populate. And lastly, every time independent is marked as an intervention, the assessment key of goal was met will auto-populate. This saves the note writer steps in their documentation practices, and this also ensures integrity of clinical outcomes. Add to these as needed. Keep in mind that the template will be added to the individual outcomes per client. At that point in time, additional key rules can be added or customized to meet the individual outcomes as they're written. To that end, you may leave any value blank where it will be individualized per client. This simply creates a shortcut for those that are entering in the outcomes and individualizing the key rules per client. Now that this template is saved, let's take a look at how this is applied at the outcome level for each client. Once you have selected the outcome, go down to the Key Rules section. Clicking Add allows you to add the rule line by line, where Add from Templates creates a shortcut to drop in all pre-configured rules. For any blank values, key in according to the particular outcome for the given client. With 3 or less verbal prompts noted in the goal, I can update the values accordingly. Likewise, any key rule that did not come in for the template can be added individually. For any questions, contact our support department by going to Options, Support, Contact Support.